Hey guys, what's up builders at toptradingreviews.com. Today is the 4th of September 2019. Let's get started. So today, as you can see, this is the IQ option. I just want to show you guys a few things. Actually, I was messing about with the IQ option. I don't know why. I used to trade on it, and yes, I did a review on it that in 2019 it's not worth trading IQ option, and I'll show you that as well. I'll show you some strategies and my bank history as well. Well, my balance history, as I say. So let's have a look. In 2017 I used to trade IQ option, probably even early on 2016 2015ish, but I just opened up this little account over here. As you can see, I still have some balance. Real account 140 pounds at the moment. Documents declined because I haven't been trading for a while, and you need to verify. I was a VIP member as well on the IQ option platform, but as you can see, I don't even have the VIP sticker anymore. That's okay though, because I'm not really trading it. I might verify just to withdraw the last 140 pounds and 50 pence, but for now, let's just close it off and let's have a look. My withdrawals, as you can see, these are all my withdrawals. The past, since past 3 months or so, I've been withdrawing. As you can see, withdrawal of 250, amount to spend 250, GBP withdrawal 1000, and we can go ahead, 100 on all that. All of these are completed, not fake. This is a legitimate account. I've been trading on IQ option for a while now, and I just wanted to show you some strategy I used to use that actually made all these profits. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Obviously, IQ option is not the same anymore. I used to trade binary, and you could go over here. It says now FX options instead of binary trading and whatnot, but you can still do it, but you can't really profit like in these next expiration 4 minutes. You can't really profit because if let's just, for example, place this trade. Let's just place it randomly. There we go. As you can see, to win this trade now, he has to go up till this level over here. It's a buy signal. He has to go up to this level over here. As you can see, profit upon expiration 47%, obviously 4% over here, like 2% over here. So he has to go above this line, and this used to be not the case on the IQ option. It used to be this time ticker. You have like 1 or 2 minutes to trade, and basically once the time ends, if your trade, let's say, is above this green line, once you start place it, let's say it's above this green line, you win the trade, and used to have percentages of like 80%, 77%. You know what I'm talking about if you're a veteran trader on IQ option. Anyway, let's just close this up real quick. Let's just sell it. There we go. We don't want to trade that AUD USD. So let's have a look at it. This is 5 seconds candles, by the way, so we don't want that. The first thing we want to add is 1 hourly candles, of course, and let's have a look at the overall trend. So overall trend is the upwards direction. So the first thing we're gonna add is an indicator, a very simple indicator yet very effective, a moving average indicator. Let's click EMA and do 200 EMA. So this is a line, 200 EMA. It tells us that the charts have been going down the past couple of days or months even, but recently has been going up. It's on an uptrend, as you can see over here. Let's just use some graphical tools, put the line through. As you can see, it's a steady uptrend on the AUD USD pair, and also it's above this 200 moving average EMA, which indicates that it's indeed on the upwards direction. And what I used to do on IQ option when it had these timers, I used to trade like 5-minute time frames, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, not 1 minute, because 1 minute's very inaccurate. 5 minutes, 10 minutes. I recommend now trading on IQ option on 1 hourly or even 4 hourly if you can do it. I'm not sure you can. Let's just have a look. Yeah, you can only do it hourly, so it's best to just go off like this. Don't trade these next expiration things unless there's some fundamental news is happening and it's gonna be very volatile for it to push to the upwards direction. Probably it's not gonna be very volatile, so trade all these 51 minutes, 56 minutes, because you need to let the trade develop. Excuse me, my phone rang. You need to let the trade develop. This is why trading on IQ option in lower time frames is very not good. You will never be profitable, as I explained before, because of this little thing over here. So that's why you open 1 hourly charts, you put in your line indicators over here, so it's a clear uptrend. As you can see, it's seeing some sell pressure, but hopefully it's gonna push to the upwards direction a little bit more. So what we're gonna do is just click the higher As you can see, we click higher and it's ended the trade. So once it reaches this area over here, around this area, as you can see, we're gonna gain 105%, 107%, depending on where you want. You know, it can be lower, it can be higher. But as you can see, we're on minus 77% at the moment. So we need the chart to increase within this hour 58% at the moment to start becoming profitable. So that's what we're gonna do, and we're gonna wait for the AUD USD trade close. I'm gonna carry on filming the chart, you know, and let's see how it develops and how does this strategy work. So I've actually lost this trade, unfortunately, on the AUD USD. As you can see, it went down with this red candle. And now what's the annoying thing about that IQ option is asset opens in 4 hours and 40 minutes. What I would have done in the old IQ option is basically double up. So if I invested $28, I would have invested double that and basically trying to get my money back plus the increase of profits. If it would be like 80% on the old IQ option, you know, yeah, I have these 85%, 90%, the payout rate, I would have added as well like 20% more, because obviously 80% is not 100% return of my investment, if you know what I mean. That's how I would have done it, and that's how I got these trades, you know, with all the withdrawals and all that. All of these trades are legitimate. That's how I've been trading. Unfortunately, on video I wasn't able to capture, you know, how my strategy works and that it's profitable, and unfortunately the asset has now been closed. I can try to place another trade, but this is like 60 minutes time, and as I said, it usually takes around 45 to 60 minutes for the trade to develop and be successful. So I don't have time for that. I need to use my PC. I can't just, you know, keep recording and try to, you know, get a timeline of, you know, a successful trade. This strategy does work, trust me guys. On the AUD USD trade as well, if you don't like this IQ option charting software or whatever, you can use tradingview.com. It's a very successful and very good free trading tool that you should use. I usually use it on Forex trading, not like this binary options, FX options or whatever on IQ option. This is the AUD USD. It makes sense. Obviously it's on a little resistance, so I did expect it to have some selling pressure. That's why I told you early on it does have some selling pressure, so it's probably gonna go down a little bit, reach this trend line over here where my cursor is, and probably gonna carry on going to the upwards direction, because he has been since 3rd of September 2019. So hopefully this video helps you out. Trust me, this technique works. I know I didn't capture it on the computer, but look at my withdrawals, look at my history. Well, it's on you to believe me. Also, I trade on the FX coin, but the new profitable trading software that's been out the past couple of weeks, it's been very profitable. I have a ton of videos of me trading on it, so make sure to subscribe to not miss them. Obviously check them out if you want to join. If you have any questions or queries, you're more than welcome to ask. toptradingreviews@gmail.com or all my social media accounts. You can follow in all of them, because I will launch my signals group very soon. If you want to see some results of my signals group, you can follow my Instagram, Top Trading Reviews. And yeah, take care guys, have a nice day, love you guys, goodbye.